Find more questions and study at your own pace on our website. The link will be in the description. Let's get started. Question 1. You have found an error in your App Engine application caused by missing Cloud Data Store indexes. You have created a YAML file with the required indexes and want to deploy these new indexes to Cloud Data Store. What should you do? Option A. Point G Cloud Data Store create indexes to your configuration file. Option B. Upload the configuration file to App Engine's default cloud storage bucket and have App Engine detect the new indexes. Option C. In the GCP console, use Data Store admin to delete the current indexes and upload the new configuration file. Option D. Create an HTTP request to the built-in Python module to send the index configuration file to your application. The answer is option A. To deploy new indexes to Cloud Data Store, the correct action is to use the gcloud command line tool. Specifically, you need to point the gcloud data store create indexes command to your YAML configuration file containing the indexes. This command will create the specified indexes in your Cloud Data Store. Question 2. Your development team has created a structured API to retrieve vehicle data. They want to allow third parties to develop tools for dealerships that use this vehicle event data. You want to support delegated authorization against this data. What should you do? Option A. Build or leverage an OAuth-compatible access control system. Option B. Build SAML 2.0 SSO compatibility into your authentication system. Option C. Restrict data access based on the source IP address of the partner systems. Option D. Create secondary credentials for each dealer that can be given to the trusted third party. The answer is option A. To support delegated authorization for third-party tools, the best approach is to build or leverage an OAuth-compatible access control system. OAuth 2.0 is designed for authorization, allowing third-party applications to access user data without exposing credentials. It supports various flows for different types of applications, including service accounts and user accounts, making it suitable for the API interaction described. Question 3. You are implementing the infrastructure for a web service on Google Cloud. The web service needs to receive and store the data from 500,000 requests per second. The data will be queried later in real time, based on exact matches of a known set of attributes. There will be periods where the web service will not receive any requests. The business wants to keep costs low. Which web service platform and database should you use for the application? Option A. Cloud Run and BigQuery. Option B. Cloud Run and Cloud Bigtable. Option C. A Compute Engine Autoscaling Managed Instance Group in BigQuery. Option D. A Compute Engine Autoscaling Managed Instance Group in Cloud Bigtable. The answer is option B. Cloud Run can scale to 0 during periods of inactivity, which helps in keeping costs low. Additionally, Cloud Bigtable is well suited for managing high throughput and real-time queries, making it suitable for handling 500,000 requests per second. Therefore, using Cloud Run for the web service and Cloud Bigtable for the database ensures both cost efficiency and performance under heavy load. Question 4. Your company has announced that they will be outsourcing operations functions. You want to allow developers to easily stage new versions of a cloud-based application in the production environment and allow the outsourced operations team to autonomously promote staged versions to production. You want to minimize the operational overhead of the solution. Which Google Cloud product should you migrate to? Option A. App Engine. Option B. GKE On-Prem. Option C. Compute Engine. Option D. Google Kubernetes Engine. The answer is option A. App Engine is a fully managed platform as a service that allows developers to build and deploy applications without managing the underlying infrastructure. It supports versioning and traffic splitting, making it easy to stage new versions and promote them to production with minimal operational overhead. This makes App Engine ideal for scenarios where operational functions are outsourced, as it simplifies the process for both developers and the operations team. Question 5. You are using Cloud Shell and need to install a custom utility for use in a few weeks. Where can you store the file so it is in the default execution path and persists across sessions? Option A, bin. Option B, cloud storage. Option C, Quotidian Google Scripts. Option D, where's your local bin? The answer is option A. The best location to store a custom utility in Cloud Shell that needs to be in the default execution path and persist across sessions is -bin. This directory is part of the $home directory, which is a persistent storage location provided by Cloud Shell. It ensures that files and scripts stored there remain available across sessions and projects, aligning with the requirement for persistence. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to check out our website where you can find more questions for this exam. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching and good luck on your exams.